Hello everyone, especially my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded, maybe 2 to 3 years ago, but I just haven't had the time to edit. Anyways, I'm gonna review the Kenwood vacuum cleaner. By the way, this video is 2 or 3 years old. Okay, so we have the Kenwood Extreme Cyclone vacuum. As you can see, it has a cleanable HEPA filter, which is one of the main reasons that made me buy it. And it also has pet care, which means it can remove fine hairs and dust. Okay, so here I am unboxing it. By the way, if you haven't noticed, this is my first time buying a vacuum cleaner, and I've been searching really hard for a good one until I found this one with a HEPA filter, which is also affordable. I especially wanted one with a HEPA filter because my family members have asthma, so really fine dust bothers them, increases their asthma. And I also have pets. Well, to be honest, used to have pets, not anymore. Anyways, so finally the box opened. It comes with these normal attachments that come with every vacuum cleaner. So to be honest, I really have no idea how to use these small attachments. So as I'm filming, I'm learning as well. And I just wanted to say it's a really good vacuum, especially for women, as it's not very heavy. And here's the empty box. I believe the cord is 1.5 meters. I'm not sure, but it's enough for a small to medium room. I'm not gonna read the manual, but if you are here to see the manual, I will provide it in detail at the end of the video in both Arabic and English. Ta-da! And here I am checking the wheels to make sure they are smooth and working properly. You know, I'm taking my work really seriously. So this is what it looks like up close. It also has antibacterial, which kills the bacteria and all the little bacteria. Okay, and you press this to start and stop, and if you hold this button for the cord, it automatically pulls the cord inside. Okay, and they made it especially this way so you don't have to bend down when using it. You can press on it with your feet while using the vacuum. I hope you understood what I mean. Okay, and you see this little compartment at the back, the black one. This opens up and has a filter inside, I believe, which is also cleanable. And in order to clean the filter, you just press this button upwards and the filter compartment opens. Make sure that the blue side of the filter stays up. And after washing the filter, make sure that it's completely dry before putting it back inside. If you can notice over here, there's a lock symbol and an open lock symbol. Okay, so you have to turn it to open it and turn it back again to lock it in place. It's pretty easy to use and very lightweight. And here I removed all the packaging. As I said, we have all the basic vacuum attachments. I have no idea what this is used for. I just use the basic attachments, which is this one. I use this one only. But you can use the other two attachments for the windows, floors, and whatever else. Okay, so here you have, if you push this button, little bristles will show up to remove hair, I believe, pet's hair. I have no idea what this is for. It has a fabric texture, but I don't know what it's for. The red line there. Okay, and for floors, you just click this button to push back the bristles inside. It's my first time buying a vacuum, alright? So I'm learning with you guys. Hello. Bye bye. Hi. Bye. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory, but you just push the button and pull up the metal thing. And use it as a cane. It's a pretty good cane, you know, out of steel. Or you can use it as a sword. Okay, enough playing around. Let's fix them together. You place this one inside this one. And make sure to press really hard. And use it as a gun. Oops, maybe I can't say that on YouTube. Use it as you understood in the video. Whoa, look at how much hair it's picked up. By the way, this carpet is newly cleaned from the carpet cleaner. I believe this attachment is for windows, the crevices in between the windows. And maybe this is for the chairs. And this is the cord. I don't know if anyone wants to see this, but I provided it just in case. Focus. Okay, so after attaching the plastic part to the steel part, we're just gonna attach it to the vacuum itself. It's pretty easy. You will hear a clicking sound. That means it's in place. Are you ready? We're gonna test it out in action now. I lowered the voice of the vacuum, by the way. It has a strong suction, which is really great to absorb all the dust. That's really fine dust. So I just took 2 passes, and this is all that it took off the carpet, the newly cleaned carpets. Look at all the dust. overall, I really recommend this vacuum. Just look at how much dust it's picked up that we could be breathing. By the way, I have an air purifier on also, but still there is a lot of dust. I really recommend this vacuum cleaner because it's great not only with dust but also normal vacuuming. One last note, please make sure to clean the vacuum outside your home in the open air because HEPA filter picks up really fine dust that if you cleaned it inside the room or inside the house, it will just go everywhere, so it's just better to clean it outside the house. And this is my carpets after. Okay, so this is the manual for anyone who's interested in reading the manual with all its details. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, filming it, and posting it, so I really hope you enjoyed as well. Please write in the comments and give me a like. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Take care.